Can we put it on backwards so I can see your eyes? Here, show Mommy your eyes. Thank you. What kind of truck is that, Isaac?
That's a bouncer. I love bouncer.
You love brown trucks?
Yeah.
What do you like, Elijah?
I like a like a car in the sun.
Can you find something else, Elijah? Can you find the pink car?
There we go. I found the pink car. Wow.
Elijah, what is that you have there? What is that?
I'm pushing the airplane.
Pushing the airplane? And what color is that airplane, Isaac?
Purple.
And in Turkish, what color is that? It's mor.
That's purple.
Purple.
No, that doesn't go there. This goes. This goes there. This. Up here. Put that on. Put that on right there. No, wait. This top.
Elijah, what's your brother's name?
No two titles in that. Put the part on it. Right there. Put.
What is that, Elijah? What do you have there?
Yay!
That's right. Isaac, what is that Elijah has? What's that called?
A board.
A bulldozer?
A bulldozer.
Can you say bulldozer, Elijah?
It has wheels.
Yeah, it does have wheels. Elijah, can you say bulldozer?
No.
Elijah, could you say bulldozer? Oh, is that what Daddy does with you?
Yeah.
How does Daddy do the bulldozer?
On his bed.
On his bed? What does he do?
When Daddy is here, when Daddy is here, we do that.
We'll do the bulldozer?
Yeah, here.
Where is Daddy?
He's doing this stuff.
He's doing his exercises. And then he comes back home. And then where does he go? Then he goes to work. Elijah, could you show us how to do the bulldozer? Uh-oh, Isaac, we're missing some pieces. Do you know where they are?
Let's see. Are we missing this one?
I think Elijah has that one. What is that, Elijah? What kind of truck is that?
That's a bucket.
What kind of truck is that yellow one, though? I don't know what that is.
That's the excavator.
Oh, an excavator?
Yeah. Do you like brown sauce?
I like brown trucks. Do you like brown trucks?
Yes.
What else do you like?
Do this one.
Oh, I think Isaac has one more truck to put away.
I'll put that right there. I think I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it right here.
Hey, Elijah. Elijah, could we do our counting? Should we count in English or in Turkish?
In Turkish.
All right, let's count in Turkish. Isaac, ready? What comes first? Bir, iki, üç, dört, beş. Then what? Altı. Then what? That's a tejas. Altı, yedi, sekiz, dokuz, on. Yay! Hey. Hey guys, who's coming down the stairs? Who is that? Who is that? Veronica! Did you guys give Veronica big fives? Elijah, did you give Veronica her big five?
Pink oatmeal.
Some pink oatmeal squares?
I want to put this on.
Okay, well let's say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Who are we saying goodbye to?
Number 2.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Who are we saying goodbye to?
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, who's that? Who's this? Elijah, who's that?
Stop.
Scrubs, he's happy to see Veronica. Good morning, Veronica. Oh, Scrubby's getting his Veronica good mornings. He's kind of crazy. Oh, Elijah, he's kind of crazy right now. He's saying hi to Veronica. What are you doing?
I'm putting the bib on.
You're putting the bib on?
I need you to put the bib on. I'm a short bib.
Okay.
I feel white.